and save Microsoft Word. To open Microsoft Word, you're going to click this button.
Click this button. After clicking this button, you are going to search Programs and Files. Here. Type Word and enter.
After you type the word, you can see many files, programs, documents, anything. And now you're going to find Microsoft Office Word 2007. And if you find it, now click it. And after you click it, it will automatically open a Microsoft. So that's how to open Microsoft Word. Next is how to save Microsoft Word. First, you will type a document in the document area. Example, you are going to type an sentence. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy
Go. After you finish the document, you can click this blue icon because when you click this, you are saving the document. And if you want to save, then click. And click type the title of your document. Example, assignment. Then press the enter. And after you press, it automatically show that the document is now saved. And that's how to save the document. Thank you for watching.